Hey Professor, this is Siddharth Anand. This is going to be my second lab demo of for PIO. So this covers PIO part 3 and 4, which is the PWM based projects. So this is my board. You can see the connections. I have red, green, blue connected to GPIOs 15, 14, 13. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you the code. Okay. Now, let me just go to part 3, PIO main and CMake. Okay, so the only changes I've done here is of set a constant and connected that to pin 15 here. So I'll be basically blinking the red LED. So let me go and make it CD back part 3 CD. Let me just clear this. CMake hyphen G GW. Okay, making Fran CMake. Now I will be making. Okay, in the meantime I'll just connect my board here. Reset. It's in. Okay, so it's popped up. Okay, the build is almost done. Okay, oh, this is part 4. Going to part 3. Build. Copy. Done. So we can see that it's varying, ramping up and turning off. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you the the third part, the fourth part, which is the second part of this. So the PIO, the C++, and the make. So we've basically reused the make file and the PIO of the previous part 3, and the most of the changes are in the main file. So we have used a typed enum, and this is where we are defining our states and telling our PIO what to do. So here we're setting the PWM period. This is for the levels. So these are my LEDs 15, 14 and 13, LED 0, 1 and 2. The RPIO, initializing RPIOs and setting the pins. Okay, now we are using a state machine here. So based on the first case where red is high, green is ramping up, and blue is low. Based on that, we are providing our commands. So basically we're controlling our level through this level, and this function for the high, it's basically we're setting this to high through this way, and we're setting this to low. So based on the graph that you've provided, and based on how our LEDs should behave, we have defined each case. So we have 6 cases. Each of them are here, and here is the main logic to repeat back the loop. Okay, and we're basically comparing if the level is at high or it is at low at one of those positions. or one of those positions, our control is incremented. So in our control increments, we are basically going through each case. And also we are using the modulus of the steps. So this basically it lets us exit the loop. We are using our, we are sleeping here right now. Okay, let me make this one again. CD, back to part 3, back to software, part 4, build. Okay, we're in build. Now let me just wipe this. Rm minus f, oh sorry, f r. Okay, we are wiping it, making, running cmake. Now we will be making. Okay, now let me, so this is still running, let me just take it out, reset. Okay, we're in. Okay, now the build is almost done. Okay, now we're done. Let me go to my documents. Let's go to lab 6, software, part 4, build, uf2, copy and paste. Okay, so this is ramping on, off, on, ramping. Now this is on, off, ramping, ramping, on, off. Okay. Okay, Professor. This concludes my demo for part 3 and part 4 for the PIOs. Thank you.